Why are you taking my pictures?
Chill, man. I'm just taking a snap. Besides, let's see what you would look like when you get older.
No.
But why?
Why? Come on now, let's have a video on that, shall we?
Sure thing. Let me get my stuff.
So, while my friend gets his stuff, do subscribe to our channel and like our video. Facial recognition technology has been around for decades. However, in recent years, it has started to gain more ground in retail stores, academic institutions, banking, transportation, and much more. So, what exactly is facial recognition? At the outset, facial recognition is a technology powered by artificial intelligence that matches an image of your face to a previously held image of yours. And it can be used in a variety of scenarios. Both government and private companies use facial recognition as a measure to improve security. For instance, in concerts, sports, or protests, facial recognition can be used to locate dangerous suspects and can further eliminate the chances of any mishap. Recently, facial recognition technology was deployed during Taylor Swift's Reputation tour to track stalkers. And it's not just the private or government organizations that are being benefited. Facial recognition is also used by individual users as well. It is used across devices for unlocking smartphones and laptops. Then there are several engaging filters used across a wide array of social media platforms and apps that use facial recognition to transform your age, gender, and even facial expressions. Here is an important question. How accurate is facial recognition as a security measure? And on a personal front, it is something which is putting a dent in our security and privacy. We all have to delve a little deeper into the technology itself. Here is how facial recognition works. The way you look at a face is not exactly how facial recognition looks at it. Instead, it processes the various biometric markers on your face, for example, the length of your eyebrows or the width of your eyes, so on and so forth. The algorithm then essentially creates a map of your face by combining the aforementioned measurements and your personal traits. So where's the danger, you might ask? So keeping aside all the techie geeky stuff, let's go to the bone of contention, the security. Facial recognition is only as good as the database of hundreds, thousands, or even millions of images that have been used to train it. In an academic setting, the results are positively more accurate. Research labs are well lit and prospects can be viewed with full faces in good light conditions. But what about real life scenarios where, say, CCTV cameras with low resolutions are deployed? Results can surely be misleading. Quite recently, a New Jersey man was arrested for shoplifting and trying to hit a cop with his car. Apparently, it was an incorrect recognition and the man was wrongfully arrested. Now, since we have dug into the accuracy aspect, let's also talk a little about the security aspect as well. We all adore filters across social media platforms and apps which let you transform yourself into an older or younger self, help you change your gender, apply makeup, and do lots of that jazz. But at what stake? You. Yes, you. Facebook was recently penalized by FTC for enabling facial recognition using photos of several users, and that too without seeking their prior consent. It did this by the way of tag suggestions which were opt-out, and it basically meant the user participated in the technology by default. And not just Facebook, there are several other apps like FaceApp, and even Chinese face swapping Zhao has been under the scanner for the same reasons. We won't say that facial recognition technology is all bad. Obviously, it has come a long way in a matter of decades and has a long way to go as far as upgrading an image database is concerned. Or even becoming more human in approach so that the accuracy can improve. With more positive developments, we can for sure expect a slash in the crime rate because facial recognition will make it easy to pick up suspect season ticket holders. As for us, the user, it is indeed very important to pay special heed to what photos we are sharing on the various apps that use facial recognition and the permissions we are giving. Last but not the least, it's for us to decide whether facial recognition is a boon or a bane. Do let us know what do you think. Hope you liked the video. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.